Hi, Rafiatu here, and today for my vegetarian friends out there, I have a surprise for you. I'm going to be making chunky coconut rice with Rafiatu sauce. Let's get started. First, I'll heat up my pan, add coconut oil. Whilst my coconut oil is heating up, I'll slice my onions and chop some garlic too. Add all to my hot oil. Fry under low heat till it's golden brown. My onions and garlic are golden brown now, so I'll add my rice. And now I add my favorite Onga 3 mix. Give it a good stir. And I add 2 cups of water, a pinch of salt, perfect. I leave it to cook for 20 minutes. Let's get started with the Rafiatu sauce. First, we slice our bell pepper, onions and some garlic. We add some Rafiatu. If you want it very hot, you can add more. I'm going to blend all together with my coconut oil. Now we are going to add our coconut milk. And add our sliced coconut. Give it a good stir. I'm going to lower the heat now and then let it cook for 20 more minutes. Whilst this is cooking, I'm going to stir fry my Rafiatu sauce. And now I add my favorite Onga 3 mix and give it a good stir. I wish you could taste this right now. Our Rafiatu sauce is ready now. Let's check the rice. Our rice is ready, and now I serve you with an Ongalicious plate of chunky coconut rice with Rafiatu sauce and a side of salad.